Before you apply to the Peace Corps, talk to a recruiter for insights into the process and to help strengthen your application. It's important to check out our current volunteer openings and identify where your interests and experience might be the best fit. Please note, you may only have one active application at a time. You have one of two options for applying. The first option is to apply directly to a position under volunteer openings. If you're interested in going to a specific country, or if you have a specific skill set that is a strong fit for one position, you may want to consider this option. The second option is to apply to go anywhere. If you're flexible and willing to serve where you're needed most, we recommend you consider this option. With both options, once you apply, you will have the opportunity to indicate your preferences for geographic region and sector so that we can better understand your interests. Whether you decide to apply to a specific position or to go anywhere, you'll be taking the first step to serve in the Peace Corps.